Hi, today is the 18th of October and we are going to have a look at the Nifty. Normally we look at the Nifty on weekends, but today was a special day and I thought let us do a bonus recording today. Now if you look at the daily chart of the Nifty here, the daily chart we were looking at a correction somewhere around the wave 4 correction to come down around 8200 or 8250. The Nifty had broken this support line of 8550 yesterday with force, and also in the process triggering a head and shoulder breakdown. So we were right in surmising that this is going to be a further fall, and we were bearish as of last night. But what happened today? Today the Nifty gapped up and then went on going up. So why this sudden reversal? It is interesting to see how this happened. So now let us look at the hourly chart. In the hourly chart, we had counted three waves down, A, B and C for wave W. This was wave X, and then we were looking for wave Y to come down. Now the wave Y started at the top of the channel and came down and made a low here at this bottom of the channel yesterday evening. And if you look at the momentum, you will also find that there was RSI bullish divergence at this low here, which signified that the selling was getting exhausted and the Nifty was ready to move up. And therefore, we can safely label this low as the end of wave 4 at the present juncture. It's also interesting to note that in bullish markets, the down moves or the corrective moves could be truncated, and possibly that is what has happened if we label this as the wave Y end. And therefore, if we label this wave Y to be finished and the wave 4 to be finished here, then we would be in for wave 5 up, which will take Nifty back to new highs. It is also possible that the wave Y has not finished and this is only A of Y and the B of Y is going up and then C of Y will come down. But looking at the internals of the market and the specific stocks and the momentum, it does not appear like a wave B. So what do we have now? If this is really wave 5 on, we should be able to pierce this channel on the upside at 8750 and continue going up with force. However, if it is wave B, we will stall somewhere around this area and then come back down in wave C to complete wave Y. So as the present time, we are long in the market and we are thinking that this is the start of wave 5 up. This also reinforces the lesson that all corrective waves are usually in parallel channels, and once this channel is touched to the downside, the corrective wave for the time being should be over. So this is what we should have looked at yesterday, but because of that important level being breached on the daily chart and the head and shoulders, we were still bearish. But once this high was taken out today, we changed our stance and entered into long positions. So we are long now and we are looking for a very powerful move to new highs, and this trend line should be broken at least tomorrow or maximum by day after. And if the Nifty stalls at this trend line and comes back down, then the bullish wave count would be negated for the time being. I hope that helps. Good luck and goodbye.